Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel Masters Motivation. Today, let's talk about a man who has inspired millions across the world, Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev, the founder of the Isha Foundation. Now, let's look at his life, how he built the Isha, his connection with Lord Shiva, and also the touch on some of the controversies around him. Sadhguru was born in Mysore, Karnataka in 1957. From a young age, he was curious about life, often spending time in nature and exploring things deeply. At 25, while sitting on Chamundi Hills, he had a powerful spiritual experience. That moment changed his life. He realized that he wanted to dedicate himself to helping people find inner well-being. He had started a small teaching yoga to a few people. Slowly, more and more people came because they felt something powerful in his methods. In 1992, he had founded the Isha Foundation. Today, Isha runs hundreds of centers worldwide with thousands of volunteers. At the heart of Isha is the Dhyana Linga, a unique meditation space open to everyone, no matter their religion or belief. For Sadhguru, Lord Shiva is not just a god, but the Adi Yogi, the first yogi. To honor him, he built the 112 feet Adi Yogi statue in Coimbatore. It's the world's largest bust statue and has become a symbol of yoga and meditation. Through festivals like Mahashivratri at Isha, Sadhguru is helping people connect with the deeper meaning of Shiva, not just worship, but transformation. Sadhguru is not only about spirituality, he also launched many big projects. Project Green Hands, planting millions of trees. Rally for Rivers and Kanvari Calling, to save Indian rivers. Isha Vidya, schools giving quality education to rural children. He has also spoken at the United Nations and World Economic Forum, sharing ideas on the environment, leadership, and human well-being. Like any public figure, Sadhguru has also faced many controversies. Number 1. Wife's death. In 1997, his wife Vijay was passed away. Some critics raised suspicions about her death, but there has no evidence to prove any wrongdoing. Sadhguru himself has said that she attained Mahasamadhi, a yogic way of leaving the body. Number 2. Teenage girls issue. There have also been allegations about missing teenage girls at the Isha Yoga Center. However, no official case or proof has ever confirmed these claims. Number 3. Other accusations. Land disputes and environment clearance issues has also been raised against the foundation, but again, most of these remain unproven or dismissed. Despite all this, his work continues to expand, and millions of followers see him as a source of transformation and positivity. Conclusion. From a young seeker on the hills of Mysore to a global spiritual leader, Sadhguru is truly inspiring. Through Isha Foundation, his teachings of yoga, and his dedication to Lord Shiva, he has shown the world that true peace and joy come from within. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. See you in the next video.